Oh my God. Have you ever seen a 1954 Bel Air 4x4 with tow mirrors? Now you have. Oh my God, these things are freaking rad.
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
My biggest complaint from me about my Bel Air so far is the lack of mirrors. Got one rear view mirror, it helps, but there's nothing on either side, and this thing's kind of obnoxious and large, and it's hard to see around, so I need mirrors. Here was my option number one. Of course, I got my partner out here today. Anyways, this was gonna be option number one. I had visions of this, and I think I could have made it work, but I was gonna lose my wing window to do it, and I'm not on board with it. So I'm gonna save these for another project probably. It's just not gonna work the way I want it to work. So while scrolling Facebook Marketplace, my nemesis, I came across some old school, like, big pickup truck mirrors. This one's obviously the passenger side, but essentially it would mount on here with all this bracketry. I like them, except there's too much bracket. It sticks way too far out, more than I like. This is the driver's side. I've stripped all the extra brackets off, figured out I want it mounted about here, and I think it's gonna be awesome. I've already held them while I've been sitting inside there. I can see everything. Got a little convex mirror down the bottom. These are now my Bel Air mirrors. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna put it all together. It would be really swell if I knew how to weld aluminum, or if I had a way of welding aluminum, because then I could just cut and chop these brackets all together and make it work, but I don't. That's not an option for me. So I think I'm just gonna figure out where I want the mounting brackets on the car, and then we're gonna make mounts to fit the mirror. Simple, it'll be done, easy peasy. I'm gonna get this thing all stripped down here, and we'll figure out where center is. We'll pop some rivet nuts in. I got the brackets for up there somewhere too. There's one of them anyways. Boy, I hope I can find the other one. And then we'll have mirrors mounted on the Bel Air. I got that bottom bracket all tore down. Let me get you a better view here, because that doesn't look like it's very good. That might work. We'll go with it. I think I'm just gonna center it on this pillar so I can still open and close my window. And I'm gonna center it like so. Oh, I just had a really big realization. That isn't gonna work the way I initially planned on it. My initial plan was to mount these up here. But how the hell is that gonna work if I try and open the door? Next plan. I think I'll take this trim off and how's that gonna work? Should be fine. Okay, let's just start taking things apart and see what happens. Battery would be helpful. What are the odds these are all gonna come out? Not good. Not good at all. That one broke. That one broke. Oh, nope, they're just really small. We're good. Come on, baby. Alright, that's not coming out either. So we have a few stubborn ones. Okie dokie. Alright, so that's where that one's gonna go, hopefully, probably, close to it. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Yeah.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing.
So if you are looking for this particular piece of trim for your 54 Bel Air, you're probably not gonna wanna watch this part, because I am absolutely gonna drill holes through it so I can mount a tow mirror on my 54 Bel Air. I know it's not a popular decision, but I've never been popular, so it doesn't matter to me. It's gonna be cool. It's almost like it was freaking made for it. Is this the right decision? I don't know. It's what I'm gonna do though. Woohoo! That one's a little off. It'll be fine. I almost need a little longer drill bit. Let's see if I can do this without breaking this bit. We'll just extend her out here a little bit. Well, what's done is done at this point. Would you believe me if I told you I just lost the drill bit I just took out of here? God, this sucks sometimes. Where did I put it? I just switched it. Guess I'll just use a different bit. This bed is junk in here. This is the one. What did I do with it? I literally just had it. Simon, why do your projects take so long? Because I put things down and then I can't find them again. 3 minutes later. Oh, where did I put the drill bit? Oh, where did it go? I just had it in my hand. Okay, whoever's hiding it can give it back now. What the actual F? I haven't got it. I've been working here the whole time. So I found it. It may or may not have been just laying in plain sight on my floor in there. I found it because I just happened to be putting my hand down and it touched it. How the hell did I not see it? What is wrong with me? That's better. All right, let's start bolting this thing together. So what do we think? I had to take the mirror off because I only have 2 hands and the mirror was making things off balance and it just was starting to annoy me. So I just removed the mirror and now it's easier to work with and it gives me a good point of view of how everything's gonna look. I don't know where I put it. I lost it. Seriously, why do I keep doing this today? Oh, here it is. I think if I got 2 points up here, if I just put an elbow down here and mount it solid right to the car, it's not far out, so I don't think it'll matter. Yeah, no? What do you think? That's what I'm thinking anyways. So I'll make another mount from here to here, and then I'll just put a little 1 tab on the door down here. And then I think it's good. Do I cut this up to do it though? That is the real question. Maybe if I came from underneath here, bolted to there, and then ran it up this side, and bolted it down through there. Probably needs more than 1 bolt on the door though, doesn't it? Otherwise it'll wanna twist. All right, we're getting somewhere now. I got a plan. We are definitely getting somewhere. Okay, so I've decided, I found some leftover flat stock I have. What we're gonna do, put a couple holes in this. This is gonna bolt to the body, and then I'm gonna make a tab off of it that'll come out off onto the thing, the bob, bracket, whatever. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Got a couple holes popped in there. I got another little tab here I cut off. I'm gonna pop a hole in there, and then we're just gonna weld that right in the center, figure out where we want it, bolt it to the car, done and done. Done and done! I forgot to check and see what size hole I needed. That was smart. Oh, we're golden. I wasn't even worried. Fancy enough for me. So I think I'll just bolt this onto here so that position is locked, and then I will, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yep. I'm not sure how or why, but that thing is cross-threaded and effed. We will be getting a new bolt for that. Ow! Of course you have to be difficult. Jiminy crickets! What is the ordeal? Holy crap. I bet that's hot now. Looks a little bent. That's probably part of the problem. The threads are just all hashed on it. So I was able to come up with some bolts. A bolt, a nut, and a washer. Hopefully we can make this all work. All right, I think we're getting somewhere here. This is that. Okay, let's get the welder. I'm gonna drill the holes for this, riv nut it, and make 1 more brace here, and this thing is done. In my head, these projects are only ever gonna take 5 minutes. I'm also always wrong. Well, would you look at that? They even line up. Heck yeah. All right, now we just need 1 more brace here because I think it needs it. And this thing is done and it's time for the other side. Sweet. So awesome. I love it. You know what it really needs though? It's like a CB antenna off it. That would be cool. I think the easiest way to make this bracket is I'm just gonna take some of that flat stock, wherever I left it, right here. Probably make like an inch tab. maybe a little longer, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches. I'll cut it off, drill a hole, mount that there. I'll do the same thing up here, and then I'll find something to connect the two of them. Seems like the most logical thing for me to do. Definitely the easiest, probably. I mean, it's already pretty stable, but I want it super stable. You know, we'll just put a mark on there, freehand cut it, and call it good. That's warm. No steel in my eye. So the one for the mirror bracket itself fits perfect. The one that goes on the car side, not so much. I had to notch the corner off of it like that, because the way this kicks up at an angle, like it's designed to clear my vent window there, it catches a little bit. I can't get it sitting right where I want it. So, you know, we just make room for it. It should work. Now I just gotta figure out this piece. If I cut it there, it should set in there. Then we'll just put a couple tacks on everything to hold everything, and then it'll be done. I've already wrecked my windshield, so I'm gonna try and protect this window. And no, it wasn't from welding. It was because I was an idiot and trying to get a bee out, and just, yeah. Should be able to work with that. We'll find out anyways, I don't know. Doing the best I can, people. That didn't work at all. How did that happen? Somehow I created this huge gap underneath there. That wasn't in the test fit part. I don't know why. We'll cut it out and see if we can't fix it. That definitely looks better. She ain't pretty, but she'll work for me. I just remembered I got nylon washers in there. Whoops. Hell yeah. We should better put that mirror on there, tighten everything up, and we should be good to go. Well, other than the whole other side, but now I know how to do it. Solid as all get out, except, you know, this bottom, I haven't tightened those bolts yet. Probably gonna pull those out and put some anti-seize on them. Awesome. Those are frickin' awesome. Should we see what she looks like from the front? We gotta get a front shot, right? Oh yeah, absolutely. That antenna, I think that's gotta go now. Oh my God, those are perfect. Before, after. Let's get that other side knocked out, huh? Hell yeah. Now we're just gonna button it up here, throw the mirror on, and we are done. With any luck, I should be able to see out this mirror from the driver's side. I haven't tested any of that theory yet. Mainly because I'm only one person and I can't hold the mirror up and sit in the driver's seat. It just doesn't work. Sounds like a baby rattle. What do you think that's about? That's fine. Ain't gonna bother me. I won't hear it over the exhaust anyways. Oh, shoot. Darn it. Wrong order of washers. Not that you care, but I care. I'm basically just pointing it at the driver's seat. If I can see the driver's seat from this side, it should be good. At least close enough, right? I'm going with it. What do we think? I can see the driver's headrest. We'll give her a go. If it needs more adjusting, I'll get my wife out here to help me. Oh, this one is not adjusting. That one is staying right where she's at. What do we think though? I mean, come on. They look awesome. I mean, this thing just needed these mirrors. They just look perfect on it. Another decision I'm super happy with. Let's test them out here. Oh, that's definitely gonna need some adjusting. I can't see anything. I gotta look way over here to see anything. It's cool. We can work with that. I gotta straighten it out too. It's a little crooked. This one, however, is mint. I did realize I didn't account for my wing window here all the calculating I did to account for my wing window, I forgot it on this one bracket. So I don't know if I can grind some off of this to make it work, or if I need to redo that or what. I don't know. Worst case scenario, I'll cut it out here and I'll cut this back here, and that way I can just run a piece from here to here, and then it'll have the room it needs for clearance. I haven't checked that one yet, mainly because it's missing the handle. But I tried to compensate for that and not have it be the same issue. Hopefully. We'll see what comes of it and still be annoyed by my windshield. God, stupid idiot. That's gonna be fun. Never taken a window out of one of these before, so that'll be interesting on its own. I am a little nervous about any rust I'm gonna find up in these corners, because I'll actually have to repair that rust if I want the windshield to go back in, which is dumb. Whatever. So that'll be coming later. Now, I just need to wait for my wife to get home, which should be another hour or more. Why does she have to work?